Little rain, little sun, humid, cloudy. We've seen it all already in just one day, Bree.
Say this is the summer that we typically deal with around here. It's just for all of June, it was nothing but hot, humid, hot, humid, hot, humid. Now we're in more of an unsettled pattern where some get rain, some don't. We're all dealing with very hot, humid conditions. And as we head into the overnight hours tonight and tomorrow, there could be a couple strong storms. In general, we're not looking at widespread severe weather. Let me break this down for you. So conditions outside right now are cloudy, clearly across the area, and it is quite muggy outside. Technically, we only made it into the upper 80s this afternoon, but it sure felt hotter than that because of how soupy this air mass is. Heat index today was in the mid 90s for most of the afternoon. Now it's going to get even hotter, unfortunately, as we head towards the rest of this week. The morning featured rain for our southern tier, but areas north had a dry start to the day. That's going to change as we head into the next couple days as well. So kind of an evolving forecast. Those that were stuck with clouds for most of the day, 70s. It's a steamy 70, but it's 70s. Really hot in Camden and Murray, sitting at 90 degrees right now, 90 in Clarksville as well. You factor in that humidity, and it is truly a kaleidoscope of heat index ranges, right? Still feeling like 70s and 80s, steamy 70s and 80s for areas east, but feeling as sweltering as 105 right now in Murray, Kentucky. Now we look to the north to our weather future, and it doesn't look like much, but this is a developing area of showers and storms. So across portions of Indiana and across kind of central southeast portions of Illinois, notice there are a couple storms. There's 2 severe thunderstorm warnings. There's even a tornado warning just on the eastern side, right on the Indiana-Ohio border. This activity is being steered by the winds that are about halfway up in the atmosphere. Think about 20,000 feet up. And so when we look at the direction there, you can see that the trajectory of these storms will likely impact our eastern Kentucky counties, which is part of the areas that have been really hard hit with heavy rain. So there is some localized flooding concerns for areas for Cumberland, Clinton County up in Kentucky, same thing, Allen County, Monroe County. This may clip areas of the plateau as well, but it is also expected to weaken as it gets closer to us. So this developing, sort of expanding area of storms is what we'll be watching tonight. Like I said, it's going to move through Kentucky, unfortunately bringing more rain to eastern portions of Kentucky, which absolutely does not need it. And then as they weaken, they may hold together long enough to bring some showers and storms for areas east of Interstate 65. The timing on this would be well after dark, closer to sunrise tomorrow than it would be to sunset tonight. So there's a chance for a couple showers and storms, but mainly just for our eastern tier tonight. As far as the overall severe threat, low. Like I showed you, about a level 1 risk for tonight. Again, the concern would be some briefly gusty wind, but since the storm should be falling apart, I don't expect much punch here. Same thing tomorrow afternoon, some briefly gusty wind possible, but in general, that would be it as far as our severe weather concerns. Woo! And then it's just brutal. As far as the heat and humidity, 95 on Wednesday is going to be the driest and hottest day of your week. That heat index well into the triple digits. And then we just finally land in the summer pattern we couldn't find. There's no big soaking rains expected for the rest of this week, Carrie, but it's going to be that summer pattern we just haven't had, where we have afternoon showers and storms, kind of spotty in nature. They'll fall apart at sunset, and we'll do it all over again through the weekend.